I'm
exposed.
I'm gonna tell you right now, don't. Do not read it. Do not involve yourself. Fuck, dude, I keep forgetting.
Hey Dennis! Welcome to reality. Did you get this earlier? Dennis!
What?
Did you get one of these too?
Yeah, it's a waiver.
No, but it's saying mine went back into pending.
Oh yeah, mine is back in pending too.
The fuck?
Whatever you want to do.
Don't freak out, man. So it's good for fertility?
I'm assuming like environmental probably.
But baby, so it's good for fertility?
Well,
I mean, it is high in
Yeah,
fat, so
I was thinking hog.
Hog or Risa.
and then I can try and get some picks on Widow.
What do you feel like doing?
Rusty on her, so if I'm not doing good, I'll switch.
Okay.
Alright.
One shot. I read Mercy since spawn's kind of far.
No Goku the Orisa.
Wait, what?
He hates Orisa.
He's gonna be on my god, so he'll...
Yeah.
A Reaper would be good. But that's if they have a Brigida, so... Oh, back dive again.
Do we want the Reaper for the Widow? Because I can do that.
If they do dive.
Let's just see. Let's do one round. Hurry up.
Do we have the Widow or...
Wait, huddle up.
Alright, I'm...
Quick, hurry, everyone's...
late, so
We're running low. We're running out of time. Get over here.
No, it's too far. Fuck it.
Alright. If they have something like a Widow, watch it. You're gonna have to watch it, Luna. If they have Widow D.Va, you're gonna have to watch it. And maybe a switch. I hear a Hanzo. Moira. Rhine on main. Cascade, you're taking a lot of damage. Claw. Okay.
Nice.
Rhine, no charge.
Uh-oh. Cloth down.
I need help. Resurrecting Claw.
Watch out. I'm down.
I'm down.
No
you
heals.
need to back up. You have lost both supports.
Yeah, I just have to like print out little labels.
Yeah, we need to switch.
Okay, I'll switch. So...
It's not even dive.
Let's try that.
No, I just print out like little labels. Not for this.
Oops.
They're running Ryan Zarya.
I wish it was, but it's not. Yeah, everything's fine. They don't do that. It's just like they were like, who's having stuff up by like 3 days.
Hanzo's up top.
Hanzo's already down a half. They have a McCree, so they're trying to get Luna. Watch it.
I have.
Be aware of the two on you, Luna. Oh, we gotta pick, Ryan. We're down.
I'm low, I'm trying to come back.
I didn't go to sleep.
2, 3 ults they're using. 4 ults. Okay, all I haven't seen is Luna. Come on, yes.
Do you have an ult? But I feel like Lucia's not helping.
Alright,
no, I fell asleep not knowing.
Okay. So that's 4 ults they use. Watch for McCree, and they used every one of them actually. 5 ults.
Nice.
Get down both supports.
Zarya's behind us. Thank you.
I'm with Luna. Take out that Hanzo if you can. Cascade needs more healing.
Got it.
Luna needs heal.
Move out. Yeah, I didn't finish.
Okay, Ryan's already down. Ryan, no charge. Down to half.
Ryan's low.
Don't.
Oh.
Cascade. Okay, we're down 2. That's 3 ults they're using right now.
I feel like I need to switch. I don't feel like I'm being very productive on Reaper.
Same. I need a.
Okay, Hanzo ult's coming. They probably have Hanzo. I haven't seen Zarya ult, and I haven't seen McCree ult.
To something else.
There's Zarya ult. There's a Hanzo ult. Nice one. Ryan's pushing up.
I didn't notice it.
Okay, we lost the tank. Get back over here.
I'm gonna switch to Genji.
Yeah, and I feel like our computer
Ivy?
while I was working first.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hanzo's pushing up with the storm arrow.
Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
We're down shields.
Someone's here. Okay.
I have to
Ooh, I'm down.
bring you back our
Oh,
healer.
okay.
Okay.
Oops, press the wrong button.
Okay. Watch for the McCree ult, so we're gonna have to watch shields for that.
Oh, jeez.
How fast is he getting these things?
Very.
Yeah, press.
Okay, Rhino charge.
I'm switching to Zed.
McCree ult. McCree ult, Zenyatta ult, and probably a Moira ult.
I'm out of here.
You can't do it?
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Wait, did you paint the whole part or what?
Initiate the fight from behind this time.
Oh,
Sure.
you're gonna get sick.
How do you mean?
Oh, I mean, like, instead of, like, just go straight to heart, we can go around back.
Okay.
To the right and around, and, like, win the team fight and then get on point. Or what we could do is we could have, like, a Zenyatta sit on point, and then we go around back.
Okay.
With that spray paint.
Yes, with spray paint. Should we do some huddling now?
Over or no?
So what?
Huddling. Huddling and cuddling. Right here.
Luna's just dancing.
I can dance.
Alright, so
Hi.
let's go
Rock.
right.
Okay, so it's not good.
I can't dance.
Around behind. Jump on the first.
Okay.
Run behind.
So, right.
Right
Right.
side. They can see you. They can see you.
Yep.
They're all moving. They're all moving.
There's a Sombra on me. I'm down.
Fuck, got one of us. Okay, we should just back up and go to the point now.
Sorry, I was.
Okay, Sombra's gonna be above us.
Bleeding.
I just heard her translocating.
Yeah.
She's up here. One hit.
Oh fuck, the Sombra attacked me.
Their Ryan is pushing up way too far. Cascade, you are too far.
Ryan has Discord. So you can get him.
You need to dive in with your Winston. You need to call your target.
Alright.
Somebody's top left. Sombra.
Thanks.
I'm distracting from behind.
Okay, I'm here.
Tell me when you guys are ready to go, and then we'll stop pushing.
Right.
Alright, Winston.
Genji Discord. Somebody's
Sombra behind.
Sombra behind.
Off her.
Thank you.
She's on the right side. Watch it.
I'm so hacked.
Left side.
Thank you. She's gonna try it again.
Got her.
I am out of P.
Oh, nice. Genji left side.
Watch for the Rhino.
Ryan Discord.
Ryan.
Run down. Moira down.
Diva.
Diva.
It's an even fight. You're fine.
I'm down.
No, it isn't. Genji half.
It was.
One healer.
We need a shield breaker.
Genji down. Oh my god. I can't see.
I almost have ult, and then I can go Junkrat.
Okay.
I almost have trans. What ults do they use? They probably have trans and
They use Moira and they use Reinhardt.
Okay.
So we haven't seen Sombra EMP, which they probably have. Diva
Oh,
Bomb
Sombra doesn't
Genji.
or Zenol.
Genji
There's the
Discord.
Diva Bomb. Get out of the way.
Oh boy.
Only one. It's only one.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, I can't. I'm out. Hacked.
I'm not over there, Claude.
Alright, I'm gonna go Junkrat.
Okay.
It's a perfect day for some mayhem.
Alright.
We have to get this thing.
Alright, class.
I can't do like high now. Like,
Sombra's in your back line.
Behind us, yep.
She's already translating it out. Watch left side. So they're down 3. Down 3 ults. Probably have another Rhino ult. Watch. On your Zen. On your Zen.
Thank you.
She's on right side. Left side. She's.
Careful, Phoenix.
I'm fine.
We were just watching behind.
Okay.
Grandma, what are you?
Trying not to die.
Oh, cut it off for
Someone's up top.
I'm hacked. I'm out of max.
Okay. Stay on your tank. Stay on tank. Diva. Or Reinhardt's all the way in the back.
There's a Sombra behind. She got me. I'm hacked. I'm down.
Ryan is down. I need Sombra.
Oh, fuck.
Sombra is bullying me in the background. I need her dead.
Oh my god, she's like 1. Oh, okay.
Genji on point.
Just only Genji.
One hit.
I did sleep.
Okay, keep moving.
Beautiful.
Claw, I'm pushing up with you.
behind.
Yep.
So one healer.
Can you get Moira there? Yeah. Watch for the Ryan.
He's dying over there.
I'm back in max.
No,
Diva's in. Moira's already just wasted her ult. Diva
Discorded. She's
Claw
out.
needs help.
Gotcha.
Ryan,
Somebody's behind
from
us.
the back.
Genji.
He's one hit. Nice.
Good job. Phoenix got you. Diva Discord.
Doomfist already has no charge.
Oh, shh.
He isn't.
Ryan.
That is funny.
Alright, well,
Okay, did
look
they
at
use
that.
their ult there?
Come on.
when we come back, I have tire.
So that was Ryan ult and was Moira ult earlier. Oh shit!
I'm gonna switch to Hammond.
Wait for him to come down first. Watch your zone. Oh, he's already down.
Yeah, he used it as
Okay, so that's Zenel and Ryan ult. I haven't seen another Diva bomb
I
yet.
can get into a position behind me.
Oh, Doofus coming in! No charge!
He's one.
Discord.
Nice!
Tracer.
Behind us, Tracer.
Grandma!
Got her. Tracer's down.
Beautiful.
Okay,
You guys are too far!
Coming back.
There's another game after this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We got some mouth clickers. Oh, sorry.
I'm working on that right shield.
I'm down.
We are down to. They have a Pharah again. We need a hit scan.
We have 3 ults. No, we have 4 ults actually.
Yeah. Just got trans.
Tracer's in backline.
We don't have a hit scan.
Okay, fuck. I have.
Just Discord.
Nice!
Nice.
Push in! I'm gonna use ult. Using ult. On Diva.
He got me.
Diva.
Discord.
Diva.
On the Reinhardt.
Reinhardt.
Diva's half.
Sombra's behind, or Tracer's behind us again. Ryan
2
Discord.
people are stunned. Tracer's in the backline.
Ryan's one.
Pharah's in backline. They're both on payload. Oh.
Oh, I'm down.
Ryan's dead.
Oh fuck! I should have ulted a plane. Why didn't I do that? Fuck!
Oh! I'm dead.
Oh, I don't know why I didn't ult him for.
I'm on point. I'm not gonna last.
Oh god.
Justice.
Oh. Nice killing the Farah.
I have less time. I wanted to try. Oh no!
How did that
Grandma!
in you? That was very weird.
better if I had cut it at 2.
Impeccable.
It would have been more evenly distributed, like more gradual.
Wait, what? Why did I get?
Like hair and
30% hooking accuracy.
like one straight gray.
Are you guys down for a social experiment?
Sure.
Maybe.
So, I'm really interested. I want to see how you guys play using only your game sense to assess the situation and how your team is doing. Like, so what I mean by that is, everyone mutes, no one says anything. You simply just, you react, like you listen to game sounds, you listen to enemies' attacks, like if they're diving your supports, you listen attention for that. If your tanks need help, if your tank's gonna go into push and all, look at their movements, look what they do, and just no one says anything.
I'm game.
You play one round off of just using your game sense.
Alright, let's all mute.
It's gonna be a wild ride.
Beep boop.
Guys, I'm scared. Everybody's muted.
Just to say, the most important part of this exercise to work on not being like tunnel minded and tunnel vision. Just improve on your game sense overall. So just saying, if it does go bad, don't get demotivated. Ask yourself what you could have done better, what happened, like in that situation. Just stuff like that. Like use this as a legitimate exercise. Don't just see this as just playing Overwatch. Use this as a actual like skill building exercise.
Now traveling to Busan.
Cheers, love! The cavalry's here!
Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Just look at what your team's picking.
Can't cheat. No.
Point of this is game sense.
We're cheating!
No, what?
And see, he doesn't know because he's not on our pad.
Right? We're cheating. Stop.
Okay.
Also be aware of switch. If you need to switch or if a teammate switches, be aware of that.
Dude, listen to this.
Switching to dive, be aware of that.
This is
That.
coach advice.
I'm so
We
proud.
actually have to try it for 1 round. Come on.
Okay.
And then if we suck, we can undo it.
You want a Zen though?
Of
Oh my
course.
god.
Use
With the grandma?
Life.
Okay.
Zen is amazing. Oh right, we
It
can't
is
screen
amazing.
Discords. Oh god.
Okay, I love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Capture the objective.
Well, that just happened. Join me. Group up. Group up with me. Understood.
My ultimate is charged. Attack me!
I'm back.
Rendezvous at my position.
Thank you.
Roger.
Rendezvous at my position.
Understood.
Acknowledged.
Ever get that feeling? Ever get that feeling? Deja vu.
Do I? Does a submarine swim?
Score 0-1.
So how'd we go? How'd we do?
Cloth. 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 Why didn't you go Winston?
You know
We can speak to each other.
right?
Is Clark